I'm going to go ahead and show you how to play some filters and then insert an image inside your header. So probably the easiest way to do this is just first grab this rectangular selection tool, and once again just select only the area that you want to put this effect on. And I've already created a layer for it, so you'd want to set that up beforehand. And then if you go up to filter and render of clouds, that'll just get you a basic color in there, and that is kind of dependent upon the two colors in there. So you can come in here and just single click or double click, and you can change these to whatever color you wanted to, and then you just would reapply that effect. So if I just come back in here, go to filter, render and clouds, that will get that effect in there. And you can continue to play with that. I mean, there's all kinds of cool effects, and the best thing to do is just really get in there and kind of explore. So here's a lens flare that might be kind of cool, but there's a lot of different things you can kind of manipulate and play with. The other thing you can do is, if you don't like that for a header, you can always go in and open up an image. So if I go to File and Open and go onto your computer and find graphic, so I'm just going to go in here and open up this rock texture graphic that I have. And in Photoshop, the way it works now is it kind of does this. It takes over the whole screen. So if I come in here and maybe float on my windows for a minute, that way I can kind of see both of them at the same time. And then I can go ahead and just click, hold, and drag with that move tool that I was on. And then I'll go ahead and kind of position that where I want it to go. Zoom out a little bit. And then I just want it to be on the header part on there. And there's many ways to do this, but probably the easiest way is just to first select your image and kind of position it where you want it to go. If you do need to resize it, you can always go into Edit, Transform, and there's Scale, there's Rotate, all kinds of different features you can kind of play with. You just have to be zoomed out far enough. This is kind of a bigger image, and then just place it where you want to go. But I just want to go ahead and just get rid of everything in there, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the rectangle selection tool, click, hold, and drag over the area that I want to keep, and then down here there's an icon. This is called the mask layer. If you just click on that once, it'll get rid of everything else and just keep that area in the spot that I wanted. And that's just a quick and easy way to lay out a header.